Sabrina, and this is my property journey. So ever since the early 2000s, I've always worked in construction. I literally got my first class honours degree in architectural design and practice, and ever since then I had plans to take over the world and expand and build up this massive property portfolio. I literally started off buying one buy-to-let in 2008, and then after that it just went downhill, and I just got trapped by a job and by a career and took my eye off the ball. And now, lo and behold, it's 2022 and you've got so many people getting into property and the competition is just fierce. I've had my fair share of ups and downs during my construction career. As I said, I started off in the early 2000s. I had a job working as a design coordinator for a house builder who specialises in social housing, but they also did private housing. Whilst in that role, I studied part-time on a day release and got a first class honours in architectural technology and practice. And then, as I said, ever since then, I've just been stuck in the traps of working. And fast forward now, I'm on a mission to expand and just to build up a property portfolio. So let's see if we can do that in 2022. So this video is going to be geared around setting up my base and getting all these sort of admin type bits and pieces done. For example, I've always wanted to do and set up my own website, showcasing off all my architectural projects that I've worked on, all my designs, my drawings, my 3D visualizations, but never got around to it. And I finally got the Sapphire Property Investments website up and running. Link in the description below. I also set up all of my socials. So I've got my Pinterest, my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and my TikTok page all set up. I also set up a really professional looking email template, if I don't say so myself. So I've also set up Sapphire Property Investments as a limited company, and I looked into getting a really good accountant in my local area. So what I needed to do next was to do some even more in-depth YouTube research. And what I mean by this is that I wanted to delve more deeply into what strategies I could do and what I wanted to really gear my business around. So I looked into rent to rent, serviced accommodation, and lease option agreements. And me personally, lease option agreements, I really don't think that sits well with me in a moral way, because I kind of feel like it's almost taking advantage of someone. You know, serviced accommodation, I didn't want to create another job for myself. And rent to rent, I didn't want to build my business around somebody else's asset. I want to not only control the asset, but I want to own the asset as well. I finally landed on a strategy that I thought would be perfect for me, and that was the BRR strategy. So buy, refurbish, refinance. Basically to get a buy-to-let and to pull the money back out. Again, there's more gurus on here that can explain that in a lot more depth than what I could. So the BRR strategy was the one that I wanted to take forward. So in order to do that, I needed to find an investor. So with the funds from this investor,
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I also remortgaged the buy-to-let property that I referred to earlier on in this video. So that gave me a big chunk of money to kickstart my property journey. So I think pretty much, if I'm following my plan, my next strategy is to get out there and network. I mean, what is it all these gurus say? Your network is your net worth. Let's get going to some seminars. Have I got that right? So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy going along this property journey with me. If you want to click on the link, the next video is me going along to these seminars and starting to network. Really hope you can do me a massive favour. If you're following on with my property journey, could you like the video, subscribe to see more videos, see my ups, see my downs, because I'm telling you right now, there'll be a lot of downs. And thank you for supporting my channel. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. And what I mean by this is that I wanted to so of course I have gone to the, so I hate doing this. I'm so awkward in front of the camera.